Yo, what's up legends? Welcome to Tech Tips. If your PS4 controller has that annoying stick drift, and you're tired of your character walking like they've got a mind of their own, don't stress. I found a tool online that can fix stick drift without opening up your controller. No soldering, no replacing parts. Let's jump in. Alright, now open up your browser, Chrome, Firefox, whatever you use, and head over to this link right here. DualShock-tools.github.io. This is where the magic happens. Now go ahead and connect your DualShock 4 controller via USB cable. This ensures a stable and accurate reading. Then, click the Understood button to accept the privacy policy and get started. Once you're all set, click on the Connect button on the page. A pop-up window will appear showing your connected controller. Just select it from the list and hit Connect. Boom! Now the site can read your controller inputs in real time. For me, it's actually the right stick that's drifting. You can see it's not centered, the line is constantly shaking downward, even though I'm not touching it at all. And when I switch to circularity mode, it becomes super obvious, the line doesn't even hit the top of the circle like it should. That's a clear sign of drift. Now here's the cool part, you've got a ton of options you can tweak on this page. But yo, make sure you don't hit that Save Permanently button unless you know exactly what you're doing. In my case, I'm just gonna adjust the stick drift and fine-tune the circularity calibration to get things smooth again. First up, I'm going with manual stick calibration. So, go ahead and click the Calibrate Stick Center button. This tells the system to treat the current stick position as the new center. It's a quick way to realign things if your stick is slightly off. Alright, now click on the Start button to begin step 1 of the setup process. This will walk you through the full stick calibration. Just follow the instructions on screen, and make sure your stick is at rest when it asks. Move both the left and right sticks to the top left corner. Hold it there for a second, then release both sticks. Once that's done, go ahead and click Continue to move on to the next step. Next, move both sticks to the top right corner, just like before. Hold them there for a second, then release. Hit Continue, and now move both sticks down to the bottom left corner. Hold it there for a sec, then release. Alright, hit Continue one last time, and now move both sticks down to the bottom right corner. Hold it there for a moment, then release, and that's it for the stick movement calibration. Now, just click Done to finish the calibration. Or, if you want to double check your work, click the gamepad test link above to see if your stick drift's really fixed. Alright, you can see the drift error is way better now. But if you switch over to circularity mode, you'll notice the stick's range still needs some tweaking. So let's go ahead and calibrate that next to get it spot on. Now, go back to the link and connect your controller again. Yep, just reconnect it via USB to make sure everything's fresh and ready for the next calibration step. This time, click on the Calibrate Stick Range button. This lets us adjust how far your stick moves within its full range, fixing that circularity issue. Once you click on it, a pop-up with instructions will appear. Just be patient and follow along. Now, rotate left and right, both analog sticks together in a full circle, about 3 to 5 times, nice and smooth. Then release them, and finally, click Done to save the calibration. Important warning, fam, do not save the changes permanently. It might mess with your controller's firmware, and in some cases, you won't be able to go back to the original factory calibration. So always keep it temporary unless you really know what you're doing. There's also another option called Fast Calibrate Stick Center. This one's kinda cool. It'll automatically detect your stick drift and try to recenter it on its own, super quick. But just a heads up, while it's fast and easy, manual stick calibration is way more accurate and gives you better results in most cases. And that's it. You can see my sticks are now perfectly calibrated, and the range is accurate too. This DualShock Tools site is honestly a lifesaver, especially if you're dealing with annoying stick drift. But yo, sometimes it's not software, it's just dust or dirt inside your analog stick. So grab some isopropyl alcohol, and carefully clean the stick's potentiometers. You can even pour a tiny bit from the outside, rotate the stick in every direction, and let the alcohol work its way in to clear off the grime. And that's all, you're good to go. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Got questions? Stuck anywhere? Or have suggestions? Drop a comment below, I got you. Wanna see a video on something specific? Let me know, I'll try to make it happen. Stay tuned, stay techy.